Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Tech Tricks. In this video, I will show you a super easy way to use AI to analyze your screen using a Chrome extension. No skills needed, so let's get started. Firstly, go to your browser and visit Chrome Web Store. Now, there are two extensions. The first is Merlin AI and the second one is Sider. I am using Sider. Click on Add to Chrome, add extension. Here you will see it will be adding started. Now open any website, article, or even you are writing. We will open an article. Firstly set up. You can continue with your email address. Here you will see the prompt like this, how it working. Now go to the extension, pin the extension, open any article or blog, like I am opening article. I'm opening my own article. Then I am opening this. Now you just click on the sidebar, then you just tell that summarize. It will be summarize you, and you can just say that analyze this page, summarize the content, what should I improve, anything you want. You can ask anything. It will analyze the screen and tell you the exact results. The AI will instantly read your screen and give suggestions. Also, you can tell that highlight key points. It will highlight key points for you, like you will see. That's it. Just one click and AI becomes your screen assistant. If this video helped you, like and subscribe for more AI tricks. Thanks for watching.